Did you know that over 2 billion people use Instagram every month? That's nearly a quarter of the world's population scrolling, liking, and sharing. But here's the shocking part. While most are wasting hours just watching Reels, a small percentage are cashing in big time. Want to join them? If you're ready to learn how to make money on Instagram with 7 unique strategies, this video is for you. By the end of this video, you'll know how to turn your feed into a money-making machine. And trust me, strategy number 7 is a total game changer. It might even make you Insta famous in the process. Before we dive in, hit that subscribe button. In future videos, we will be exploring Instagram monetizing in much more detail. You don't want to miss it. Alright, let's jump in. Pay attention. This is about more than just likes and followers. This could be your first step to financial freedom. First up, affiliate marketing on Instagram. Did you know you don't need a huge following to make money as an affiliate? With Instagram's swipe up feature and clickable links in bios, promoting products has never been easier. All you need to do is find a niche. Fitness, tech gadgets, beauty, or even pet supplies. Here's how to get started. Sign up for affiliate programs like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, or ShareASale. Post product reviews or how-tos featuring the affiliate links. Use Instagram stories or Reels to create engaging mini demos. Pro tip, always recommend products you actually like or trust. It builds credibility and encourages people to click on your links. Imagine earning commissions every time someone buys through your link. It's like passive income on steroids. But wait, don't stop here. Let's talk about a more personal way to connect with your audience. Second, become an Instagram consultant. Are you great at crafting captions, choosing hashtags, or growing followers? Businesses and influencers need help managing their accounts. This is where you come in as a consultant. How does it work? You'll offer your expertise to clients who are struggling to grow their presence. You can help with everything from scheduling posts to creating strategies for better engagement. Start small by reaching out to local businesses. For example, a cafe in your area might need help promoting their coffee specials or hosting giveaways. Once you've built a portfolio, expand to bigger clients. The beauty of this, you're not just earning money, you're building relationships that can lead to long-term projects. Now let's shake things up with strategy number 3. Third, sell Instagram templates. If you're good at graphic design, this one's for you. Instagram templates are in high demand, especially for stories and reels. Businesses want professional-looking designs but don't have the time or skill to create them. Here's what to do. Use tools like Canva or Adobe Spark to create templates for promotions, quotes, or product launches. Sell them on marketplaces like Etsy or Creative Market. Promote your templates on your Instagram account with live demos or before and after examples. Pro tip, add a watermark to your free previews. That way people can't use your designs without paying. Keep watching because strategy number 7 will blow your mind. It's one of the fastest growing trends on Instagram. Fourth, host sponsored giveaways. Giveaways are a fun way to make money while helping brands grow their following. Companies will pay you to host a giveaway featuring their products. Why? Because it increases their exposure and attracts new customers. To do this effectively, pick a brand that aligns with your audience. For example, if your followers love skincare, partner with a beauty company. Create rules like, follow this account, like this post, and tag 3 friends. Use stories and reels to promote the giveaway. This creates a win-win situation. The brand gets more visibility, and you get paid for your time and effort. Now let's dive into something that's perfect for those who love creating content. Fifth, start an Instagram subscription service. With Instagram's new subscription feature, you can charge followers for exclusive content. Think of it like Patreon but built directly into Instagram. Here's what to offer. Behind-the-scenes footage of your daily life or business. Exclusive tutorials or Q&A sessions. Early access to your products or services. Pro tip, keep your subscription price low at first to attract more followers. Once you've built a solid base, you can increase your rates. Feeling inspired? Good, because we're not done yet. Sixth, sell physical products using Instagram shops. Instagram now allows you to set up an online shop directly on your profile. Whether you're selling handmade jewelry, art, or even clothing, Instagram shops makes it easy to showcase and sell your products. Steps to get started. Create a business account and set up a shop using the Instagram app. Post eye-catching photos and videos of your products. Use stories and highlights to showcase customer reviews. And here's a bonus tip: run targeted ads to drive traffic to your shop. Ads can reach thousands of people who wouldn't find your products otherwise. Finally, the moment you've been waiting for. Seventh, monetize your Reels. Reels are Instagram's answer to TikTok, and they're a goldmine for creators. With the right strategy, you can turn short, engaging videos into serious cash. Here's how. Partner with brands to create sponsored Reels. Use Reels to drive traffic to your affiliate links or online shop. Take advantage of Instagram's Reels Play bonus program, which pays creators for views. The secret to successful Reels? Keep them entertaining and shareable. Use trending audio, clever transitions, and captions that make people laugh or learn something new. Bonus strategy. Combine 2 or more methods. For example, use Reels to promote your affiliate links or Instagram templates, or offer exclusive content to subscribers while running a shop. The more strategies you combine, the more streams of income you'll have. Now that you know how to make money on Instagram, check out our suggested video for more ways to boost your wealth. The clock is ticking. Start now and watch your wallet grow. Which of these strategies will you try first? Comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for weekly tips to level up your finances.